recall the lesson. The emergence of new kingdom. Kingdom of North India. Kingdom in North India. Kingdom in North India. The recall the lesson. The first of all, in the country is the every country is the long and complex. It is divided into the three types. Then the ancient period, medieval period, then modern period. Okay. Then the medieval period is the history of the India. Okay. Then the here then Pratigras is the North India is the 8th century is the 8th to 18th century, 8th to 18th century. Okay. Then the Harsha after death after Harsha, it handovering in the various Rajaputs. What is meant by the Rajaputs? Rajaput is the Sanskrit language. Okay, it is here. Which means of the Rajputs? It is the Rajput is the scion of the royal blood. Okay. Then the dividing the three principles. Okay. What is meant by the then Surya Vamsha, Chandra Vamsha, then Agnikula. Okay, it is here. All are the full of the Rajput of the Kshatriyas family. Okay, are you understand? It is here. How many Rajputs? Okay, it is 36 Rajputs. Okay, 36 Rajputs. The importance of the Rajputs, it is the divided in the 10 major claims of Rajputs. Okay, the very important 10 major claims of Rajputs. Okay, the first of all it is the Pratigras of Avanti, then Palas of Bengal, then Palas of Bengal, Chaupans of Delhi and Ajmer, Thomas of Delhi, the Rathos of Ganar, the Gugilas or Sisodias of Mavar, the Sandalas of Bandalgand, the Paravaras of Malwa, the Senas of Bengal, then Solangis of Gujarat. It is here the major claims of. Okay, it is 10 major claims of Rajaputs. Okay, it is the first of all in the Rajaputs. Okay, the Pratigras. The Pratigras king is the first. The Pratigras king. It is the Nagapata. It is the first. The 725 to 740 in the AD. Okay, it is the Nagapata. The Ganaji first Raja, Nagapata second. Then the Migira Bhoja. Magendra Bala, the last of the decline of the Rajya Bala, the last ruler, the Prithviraj, the last ruler, Rajya Bala. Okay, are you understand? It is the decline of the Prithviraj. It is all are because it is a last ruler. It is all are vehicles. Okay, then the Prithviraj king is the decline of the Prithviraj. The second one, the Palas. Who is the founder of the Bala dynasty? It is the Gobala. It is one of the founder of the Pala dynasty. Okay, the second one Dharmabala. It is Dharmabala. It is the university. It is the Vikramasila University. The renovated in the Nalanda University. Okay, it is the built the many temples. The help of the peoples. Okay, it is the Dharmabala. The next one it is the Devabala, the son of the Dharmabala. Okay, it is the succeeded in the Bala dynasty. It is the last in the Govinda Bala. It is the decline of the Bala dynasty. Okay. Then today the worksheet. Okay. And then first Roman choose the correct answer. First Roman choose the correct answer. The middle period or the medieval period extended from the dash. Okay. Say the answer. The first one 8 to 18, 1 to 8. 18th to the at present. Okay. What answer? Very good. Option A correct answer. Option A correct answer. 8 to 18. Okay. Are you understand? The middle period or the medieval period the extended from the 8th to 18th. Okay. 18th century. Okay. Are you understand? Okay, the middle period or medieval period extended from the 8th to 18th century. Okay, then the founder of the Prithviraj dynasty. The founder of the Prithviraj dynasty was dash. What answer? The first, the founder of Prithviraj. Okay, then the option A, Magendra Bala, Migira Bhoja, Nagapata first. Say the answer. Oh, very good. Okay, the C, option C, the correct answer. Option C, the correct answer. Nagapata when? Answer is Nagapata when. Okay, Nagapata first. Okay, it is the founder of the Kritigara dynasty was Nagapata first. Okay, then second Roman fill in the blanks. Second Roman fill in the blanks. Okay, the Pritigaras were also known as what answer? The Pritigaras was were also known as what answer? Gujaras. Gujaras. Okay, are you understand? The Pritigaras were also known as Gujaras. Answer is Gujaras. Okay. The next one. Das was the founder of Vikramasila University. Das was the founder of the Vikramasila University. What? The founder is the father Bala dynasty. The founder Dharma Bala. The answer is Dharma Bala. Okay. Dharma Bala was the founder of Vikramasila University. Dharma Bala was the founder of Vikramasila University. The Pritigaras were also known as Gujaras. The Dharma Bala was the founder of Vikramasila University. Okay. Then the third one. Arab the conquered Sindh in. Answer is AD CE 712. Answer is Arab conquered Sindh in AD CE 712 is the answer. Dash was the last Pritigara king. Last Pritigara king also the all of weakers. Okay. What answer? Rajabala. It is the last king. Rajabala was the last Pritigara king. Okay. The Palas of Bengal. Okay. The second Roman. The Pritigaras were also known as Gujaras. Das was the founder of Vikramasila University. Dharma Bala. Arab conquered Sindh in AD CE 712. Das was the last Pritigara king. Rajabala. Okay. The fifth one. The Palas of Bengal. The answer the following. Name any 4 Rajput clans. Okay. Name any Rajput. Then the 10 major clans. Okay. 10 major clans of Rajputs. Then name the any 4 Rajput clans. Okay. Name the any Rajput clans. The Pritigaras, the Saukans, then the Chalukiyas, next is known as Solangis and the Paramaras of Malwas. Okay. Then name any 4 Rajput clans. Name any 4 Rajput clans. The Pritigaras, the Saukan, the Chalukiyas, known as Solangis, and the Paramaras of Malwas. Name any 4 Rajput clans. The Pritigaras, the Saukan, the Solangis, the Chalukiyas, known as Solangis, and the Paramaras of Malwa. Okay, are you understand? Then the next question. The next question. Then how many Rajaputs? How many Rajaputs clients were there? Okay, how many Rajaputs? It is the 36 Rajaputs. 36 Rajaputs. Okay. Third question. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty? Pala dynasty. Who was the founder of the Pala dynasty? The founder of Pala dynasty. Pala dynasty. Gobala. Okay. Then how many Rajaput's clients were there? There are the 36 Rajaput. 36 Rajaputs. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty? The founder of the Pala dynasty, Gobala. Okay, are you understand? Then name the third Roman. Answer the following. Name any 4 Rajaput clients. Name any 4 Rajaput clients. The Prithviraj, the Chauhan, the Cholangi, the Salukyas, known as Solangis, and the Paramaras of Malwa. Okay, the second question. How many Rajaput clients were there? There are the 36 Rajaputs. There are the 36 Rajaputs. Who was the founder of Pala dynasty? The founder of Pala dynasty, Gobala. Okay, are you understand? Then today the next topic. See the next topic, the Thomas of Delhi. The Thomas of Delhi. Okay, the Thomas were the feudaries of the Prithviraj. Feudaries of Prithviraj. Okay, the rose of power. The rose of power and the founded city in Delhi. It is the Thomas of Delhi. It is the founder of Mahibala. The founder of Mahibala. Okay, the founder of Mahibala. He captured in the Thomas of Delhi. It is the succeeded war in the great warrior. It is the Mahibala. Mahibala captured in the Thomas of Delhi. Mahibala captured in the Taneshwar. Then Taneshwar, Hansi, Taneshwar, Hansi, and Nagarkoch. Okay, it is here the captured in the Mahibala. Okay, Mahibala the captured in the Thomas of Delhi, the Taneshwar, Hansi, Nagarkoch. Okay, it is the Nagarkoch. It is the captured in the Mahibala. Captured of the Mahibala. The Thomas became the feudaries of Saukans. When the Delhi captured in the middle of which century? The 12th century. The 12th century. Okay, it is the Thomas of Delhi. It is here where the feudaries of the Prithviraj in the Delhi. The founder of Thomas of Delhi? Mahibala. It is the great warrior. It is the captured in the Taneshwar, Hansi, and the Nagarkoch. Okay, it is the on which century? It is the 12th century. It is the captured in the Mahibala. The next one, it is here the Saukans of Delhi and Ajmer. Saukans of Delhi and Ajmer. The Saukans, who were the feudaries of Prithviraj, declared in the independence in the 11th century. 11th century. Okay, it is the Paramaras. It is captured in that. It is who is the founder of the Saukans of Delhi? It is Prithviraj Saukan. Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay. Prithviraj Chauhan. It is the founder of Chauhan in Delhi and Ajmer. The Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay, it is a Paramaras of Malwa, Delhi of Roma. Those that shifted in the capital of Delhi. It is the capital of Delhi. It is a shifted. It is a captured in the full of the dynasty. It is a center of the place in the Delhi. It is all over surrounding in the center of the place. It is the capture in the shifted is the capital Delhi, capital of Delhi, the Chauhans of Delhi and Ajmer. Okay, the many places. Okay, it is the Prithviraj Chauhan. It is many captured in the many place. Okay, it is the center of the place in the Delhi. It is a shifted in the Delhi. It is the capital of Delhi. Okay, it is the Chauhans of Delhi and Ajmer. Delhi and Ajmer. Okay, the Rathos of Ganaj. The Rathos of Ganaj. It is here the Rathos of Ganaj. It is a confusion. Okay, the confusion after in the decline. After in the decline of the Rathos of Ganaj, it is one of the capital of Ganaj. One of the capital of Ganaj. Okay, it is the Jaigaon. Okay, it is the Jaigaon is the Rathos of Jaigaon. Jaichand. The Jaichand is the founders. It is the Rathos of Ganaj. It is a confusion. It is the confusion of the dynasty. The confusion of the dynasty. It was the Jaichand was a great ruler of the Ganaj. It is a great ruler of the Ganaj. Okay. Then the next one. It is the killed with the Jaichand killed with the war in the it is a Sun war. Okay, Sun war. It is the Jaichand is a great ruler of the Rathos of Ganaj. Okay, it is the great ruler. Then it is the war of the Sun war. Okay, Sun war. It is killed the Muhammad of Ghori. Who is the killed of Jaichand? Muhammad of Ghori. Muhammad of Ghori. Okay, killed the Sun war. Okay, it is the place of the Sun war in the Ganaj Jaichand. Okay, the next one, the Sandalas of Bangalgan. Okay, it is here Sandalas of Bangalgan established in the themselves in the Bangalgan. It is the Yashovarman. It is the founder of Yashovarman. Okay, who is the founder of the Sandalas of Bangalgan? It is Yashovarman, the founder of Yashovarman. It is the capital of the Magoba. Capital of Magoba. It is the capital of Magoba. Okay. Then the Kalinga was the important Sandalas of Bangalgan, number of beautiful temples. Okay, the Sandalas of Bangalgan. It is the king of the Yashovarman, capital of Magoba. It is built the Yashovarman built the many temples in this area. Okay, the Khajuraho temple is famous for that. It is Gandhariya temple, the Gandhariya Mahadeva temple. Okay, it is Khajuraho temple. Khajuraho temple and Gandhariya Mahadeva temple. Okay, Gandhariya Mahadeva temple. It is the Sandalas of Bangalgan. Yashovarman built the many temple. Khajuraho temple. The Khajuraho temple means it is the group of temples. Okay, how many group of temples? It is one place is the 30 temples. One place is the 30 temples. It is the Khajuraho temple. It is the Gandhariya Mahadeva temple. That is the Guptadin Aibak. It is defeated in the Paramal. It is defeated in the who is defeated in the Paramal? It is the Guptadin Aibak. Okay. Then the Gugilas Next one, Gugilas or Sisodias of Mavar. Sisodias of Mavar. Okay, the Rajput in the Baba Rana. Okay, Baba Rawal. Who is the Gugilas? The king is the Baba Rawal. Okay, Baba Rawal. Okay, the Baba Rawal is the Gugilas or Sisodias of Mavar. It is the king of the Baba Rawal. Okay, it is the founder of Gugila dynasty. Gugilas or Sisodias dynasty. The founder Baba Rawal. Gugilas or Sisodias of Mavar. It is a founder of Baba Rawal. Okay, Baba Rawal. It is okay. It is a capital was capital. It is the capital of Chittoor. Capital of Chittoor. Okay, Gugilas. The Gugilas or Sisodias of Mavar. It is a founder of Baba Rawal. Capital of Chittoor. Capital of Chittoor. It is a Rana Ratan Singh in the Mavar. Abduddin Alabak. It is invaded in the territory. Defeated in the Rana Ratan Singh. The Queen of Badmini. Is performed in the Johar. Okay. The Sisodias is the Rana Shanga and Maharana Pradip. Okay. It is a law of fight in the Mughal rulers in India. The Paramaras of Malwa. It is who is the Paramaras of Malwa founder? It is the Raja Bhoja. Okay, the Gugilas of Sisodias of Mavar. Okay, the Gugilas is the founder of Baba Rawal. Capital of Chittoor. It is the many constructed in the many temples in. Okay, many temples. Okay, it is the period of the Rana Ratan Singh. Okay, the Gugilas is the period of the Rana Ratan Singh. It is the Alauddin Khalji invaded in the territory of the Rana Ratan Singh. Okay, wife of Queen Badmini. Okay, it is the Sisodias, the rulers of the Rana Shaga and the Maharana Pradip. Okay, it is the Gugilas or Sisodias. It is the one of the rulers. Okay, then the next one, the Paramaras of Malwa. Okay, the Paramaras of Malwa also the feudatories of the Pritigaras. Okay, they are the adjusted in the independence in the capital of Dara. The Paramaras of Malwa, the capital of Dara. Capital of Dara. Okay, capital of Dara. The Paramaras of capital of Dara. It is the one of the king Raja Bhoja. Okay, Raja Bhoja, the Paramaras of Malwa, the Raja Bhoja, capital of Dara. Capital, the very important. The Paramaras of Malwa, capital of Dara. Okay, it is the constructed. It is mainly the temple. It is the lake. Okay, the beautiful lake. More than how many square feet? 250 square feet. Okay, it is near the lake of the near in the Bhopal. The near one lake. It is the converted in the 250 square feet. Okay, then near the Bhopal, near the beautiful lake in the Bhopal. Okay, then it is the Dora for the Sanskrit literature. The Paramaras came in the invasion of the Alauddin Khalji. The nature of Rajputs. The Rajputs, the great warriors in the civic barriers. Okay, it is by nature. It is believed in the protecting the woman and the weak. The woman that perform the death, the dishonor, death, the dishonor. Okay, they were the educated and were the highly honored in the position of the level in the Rajput's period. Okay, are you understand? It is the child, the avoid in the was the part of public life and wars, wars. Okay, then the child marriage and the polygamy were the practice. Women performed the sati and jogir. Okay, it is to the protect themselves, the hands of the enemies, avoid the dishonor. Okay, the religion. Okay, religion. The Rajputs religion, the follow and in the Hinduism, they also the patronized Buddhism and the Jainism. It was during the period Bhakti cult. Okay, Bhakti cult. It is the one of the next topic. It is the government. Okay, Rajput, it is the government. The government is the feudal character. In character, each kingdom divided in the large number of jagirs. Okay, last friend of the jagirs. It is the one of the jagirs. Then jagirs, it is dividing in the jagir means it is the state, the district level. Okay, it is a jagir. It is collected in the money in the jagirdars. Okay, jagirdars. Okay, it is the revenue income or the allocated in the villages give the share of the king in the money. Okay, they also offer the military assistance of the king. The contribution of the Rajputs. Okay, the Rajputs, the contributor remarkably the developed in the language and the literature, art and architecture then of India. Architecture, it is developed in the contribution of Rajputs. Okay, then the language and literature. Okay, the recall the third topic, Gugilas, the Thomas of Delhi. It is a founder of Mahibala. It is captured in the places of the Taneshwar, Hansi, Nagarkot. Okay, which century is the captured in the Mahibala? It is the 12th century. The captured in the Taneshwar, Hansi, Nagarkot. Okay, then the next one, it is the Sultans of Delhi and Ajmer. The Sultans of, it is the Sultans of Delhi. It is the Delhi and Ajmer. It is the founder of, who is the founder of the Sultan? It is a Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay, Prithviraj Chauhan. It is then the next one, the Rathos of Banaj. It is one of the Jason. Okay, the founder of Jason. Okay, it is Sanbar is the Muhammad of Gori. It is killed the Jason. Okay, the next one, it is the Muhammad of Gori. It is the killed the Jason. Who is the Jason? It is Sanbar. Okay, killed the Muhammad of Gori. The Sandalas of Bandalgan. Okay, it is founder. Who is the founder of the ruler? Founder. Okay, it is the Yashovarman. Yashovarman is the Sandalas of Bandalgan. Okay, the capital of Magoba. Okay, then the Gugilas or Sisodias of Marwar. The Baba Rawal, it is the founder, the ruler. It is the Baba Rawal. Okay, the capital of Sittur. Okay, then the Gugilas or Sisodias, it is the beautiful temple in the built the temple. Okay, then Paramaras of Malwa. It is the founder, ruler, the Rajabhoja, in the capital of Dara. It is near the beautiful lake in the 250 square feet. 250 square feet built the near beautiful lake in the near in Bhopal. Okay. Thank you, students.